checking all those with the baby. We're going slow tonight, baby. We chilling. Ain't no pow pows. We ain't going super fast. We chill about 30, 20 miles per hour. So enjoy yourself for the ride. First gear all the way, baby. That's right. Third gear, baby. Second gear. 6th gear all day, baby. 6th gear all day. Other than that, let's look out for each other. People that never been on the slow ride. Watch out for guys. We like to drop our back. We like to slow down. So you're coming up hot. Well, we shouldn't be doing that. A lot of guys like chilling back. So please, watch all the stunners. Other than that, let's have a good fucking time. Let's hang out. Let's have fun. We're going through quite a bit. We've got a long ride. So I hope you guys are ready to go. We'll gas up as far as that. Let's fucking get her, yeah! Hey, if you see somebody that likes to scrape, do not ride their ass. Give them space. Yeah! Let people have their space to shine. Guys, we're here to give you a little show. Watch it, enjoy it. Don't hit them. Watch the swerve! Right. Space! Let's go!
Space.
Space.
The final frontier.
Well, you do that on any ride.
4 minutes and we are out. Hey, so whoever's never been on a stunt ride, if we see cops, please do not stress out. Do not start taking off. Stay with the group. We'll be totally fine. You know, shit happens. The cops, they just want us out of their area. We're going to come through, do our thing, and head out. Please do not split off. Start speeding up. They're going to go out to you. Stay with the group. We'll be all right. They don't give a fuck. Sooner or later, they're going to get tired. But out here in the Dino, usually, they don't give a fuck. Other cities, they'll light us up. Just keep going. We'll be fine. They just want us out, all right? All right, cool.
Sounds chill.
About time, Gil. You guys already know they're making. Way to make an
Guys, fucking watch out for these supermodel boys. They don't give a fuck.
back hard.
Where's your camera, Mark?
I don't have a mount for this helmet.
Oh, you gotta get Tyrus to 3D print you one.
You just got to make one, like I did. Look,
Yeah.
I molded the old one with a torch.
Rock a side mount. Rock a side mount
And
camera.
some oil.
No, just a torch, and I bent it, and then I stuck it on there. And it's,
No, dude, get the contour. Get the contour and put it on the side of your head.
I don't want the contour.
You don't want the contour. You're too good for the contour? Are chicks here. Oh, security. What's up? What's up? Anybody who's watching. Not just E-heads. All people of all size bikes. We are out here in the IE, the Inland Empire. And we're riding with the Groms. We're riding with the Groms, the gas Groms. And there's a good amount of ladies here. And they're stunting, and their purses are dragging, and it's sick, and it stinks in a good way. And we got Saran here. We got all the Saran boys. We got all the SoCal Saran boys. I'm still in California. And so is the bus. Eric's bike. I'm on Eric's. I'm on Eric's modified Suron. We're gonna chill. We're gonna chill because not only do we not want to eat shit in front of these guys, we don't want to crash Eric's bike. So if anyone asks me to do a wheelie, I'm just gonna say, oh, it's not. I would. It's not my bike. I totally would, but it's not my bike. Mark is here. We got Kush Footing Moto. He's creating content, but he's doing it for himself through his own eyes. He's not recording it. He's just riding for the fun of it. That thing sounds insane. We gotta get some Saronster glamour shots. Oh, Eric's on his mini Mototech. Eric's on his mini Mototech that has a graphic. It has a sticker on the side of a piston. What'd you say? I haven't been testing it to its full abilities. I haven't used it. I've just been creeping. I haven't gone fast yet.
Doesn't feel any stronger than yours?
No, it's stronger. I know how to ride them though. I know how to ride a dirt bike with one gear. Dang, gas station time already. Y'all got no range. Chronic Tacos. We're here, Chronic Tacos. We're here, Chronic Tacos. We're here and we're loud. Not me, personally. Let's check out the gas out here. 609 for diesel, I'll take it. I honestly will take it. Like, I don't need this. I don't need this right now. Gotta say, riding at night, pretty nice in the summertime. Not the best clickbait. Not the best clickbait. Even though there's chicks and wheelies everywhere, still you can't get the good clickbait. Oh, that guy's on a Honda Monkey, I believe. Thing about Groms, they're sick as hell. They have license plates and they crash a lot. I think the record for crashes was the one wheels in the Halloween video at 6. But you never know. You never know when there could be a new world record. Whoa, nice scrape. That's gonna be me someday, but with a plastic fender. That's my trick for the vlog. Whoa, sick. Oh my god, that's so rare. Everyone can do the wheelie, but can everyone do the nose wheelie? Homie up here got a girlfriend and a scraper bar, and he's not scraping. Gotta give him respect for that. Gotta respect a man for respecting a woman's decision not to do a wheelie. But there's literally like 12 chicks here. I think I might be in the wrong clique. I might have to pick myself up a Grom and some gasoline. Whoa, I'm in the back of the Grom line. I was just zoning out there. Oh, I just accidentally hit the regen throttle. Oh, Mark's about to throw it up. Oh no. Oh no. That might be an officer of the law. no, oh no. Oh no. The best thing to do is to just keep cool. That's what they explained to us. Oh, we're in the middle of it. That guy's still doing wheelies. That guy is still doing wheelies. Nothing to fear. Mob privilege, remember? Oh yeah, he's out of here. He don't care. That cop did not care. He just wanted us out. That's what the guy said. That's what the guy explained that ran this shit. God, it's horde privilege, guys. I'm telling you. You see it in the news. If you want to do something, just get 80 people together and all do it. They can't stop you. Everybody at the restaurant. They're like, hey. Now what?
They're gonna keep riding a little? Huh? They're gonna keep riding a little?
Yeah, I think they're gonna go to the spot.
But you know if they're heading back there right now?
Right now, I'm not sure.
Yeah.
I think they're gonna go like,
yeah,
when it's done.
We're gonna start heading back.
Alright, for sure. I got 6 right there.
Alright, we're following you.
Actually, let me put that away. I don't need that anymore.
For your next big trip.
That was sick, man. I'm glad we went to this.
Book now with Expedia.
Whoa. Whose doggy? Whose doggy is that? Oh God.
Another one right here.
Oh. Whose doggies are you? Oh, careful. He's like, come home. He's like, come home, you're dangerous. All right, fun's over. Fun's over. Now it's quiet time. Now it's quiet time and 13-mile ride home. Ride. How fast do you want me to go? How fast do you want to go? Oh, okay. Oh, Eric, your mom is calling. Do I accept it? She's probably worried about him. I'll let him know at the stop sign. Hey, your mommy's calling.
Just hang up.
Your mommy's worried sick.
Hang up.
I wanted to talk to her. Oh, I'll call her back. I'll tell her real quick. Yeah, Eric will call you back. Eric's mom is dope. She picked us up from the airport. "14 miles, man. I do not want to go 14 miles. I want to just end the vlog and just run out of battery. That's too much memory. That's too much memory. My bus can't hold that much memory, I don't think. I'm not quite sure. I need to check. That's gonna be the vlog, guys. Thanks for watching. Smash that like button for the Gassy Gas boys and girls. Woo! There was some ladies in the streets tonight. Sounds bad, but it's accurate. There was. Huh? Yeah, it sounds like plastic or something. Sounds like something plastic. I'm trying to end the vlog here, buddy. Chase your dreams. I already chased mine and got them. I already chased them. It took me 2 years. I got them. Actually, I came up with the bus idea like 8 months ago, something. I don't know, but achieved. Time to throw that vision board away. Make a new one. Anyways, chase your dreams, even if it's baby steps. Jesus Christ. And turn off rent. That's my new advice. Turn off rent. Turn on your life. Save a dinosaur. Ride an e-bike. Peace.